In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default bike in Strava app if you want your rides to consistently log to the same bike without extra taps. This quick walkthrough will get you there fast. The idea is simple. You'll start from the main screen of the Strava app, head into the recording view, choose ride, and from that point forward, Strava will remember and apply your default bike automatically for rides you start from the app. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your feed and location services if prompted. You don't need to dig through menus or settings for this. Everything you need is right on the main navigation bar. Next, tap record at the bottom of the screen. This opens the recording dashboard where you'll see the live map, your GPS indicator, and the sports selector at the top. This is where Strava decides what kind of activity you're about to track, and it's the key to making sure your bike is attached automatically. Now, select ride by tapping on it in the sports selector. If another sport is showing, just tap the sport name and switch it to ride so it's clearly highlighted. That small change tells Strava that the next activity is a cycling session, and the app will automatically apply your default bike for rides. You don't have to confirm anything else here. Strava remembers this choice and uses it going forward whenever you start a ride from the record screen. From now on, when you come back to the record tab to start a cycling workout, ride will be set and your default bike will be attached behind the scenes. That means your distance, elevation, and maintenance tracking will roll up to the correct bike without you having to pick it each time. If you've used multiple bikes before, Strava typically remembers the last one you rode as the default for ride. And if you only have one bike in your account, that's the one it will use. A quick tip for peace of mind. After choosing ride, glance at the screen to make sure the ride label is clearly active before you start. If you ever notice it switched to another sport, simply tap it again to get back to ride and keep your default bike applied. That's it. Open Strava, tap record, select ride, and Strava automatically sets and remembers your default bike for future rides. Thanks for watching and enjoy logging your miles with less tapping and more riding.